Good morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today on my pause we are going to be doing some plaid Christmas stamping. Yes, I said pause. We are going to be doing plaid Christmas stamping off the plate. There's no name on it. This is what plate I'm using. There's no name, so I could have gotten that from Wish. On my ring finger, I'm going to be using plate LM-L15 for a Christmas tree on that finger. First, I'm going to back up. On my nails, I have my base coat, First in Line by Sinful. I have Hot Chili Pepper by Broadway is my red. On top of that, I have a coat of my Pro FX Quick Dry to make it dry faster. Whoops. Around that is liquid latex berry that I got from Wish that I'm almost out of. Gotta make a purchase on there. Got my green stamping polish from Born Pretty. Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat. Born Pretty Scraper. Beauty Big Bang Stamper, which I love this one. It is sticky. It is nice. Got my lint roller next to me. Got everything out that I'm going to need, even my trusty remover pump next to me. I'm going to stamp my Christmas tree first. Ouch. Oh, Lord. Oh, I almost couldn't get it open. Ooh. Woo-wee. How's everybody doing this morning? I hope you're having a really good day. I'm filming this on a Sunday morning before church. But I wanted to have my nails done. And I really wanted the Christmas plaid. I don't know if you can see that on my ring finger. I hope you can. The Christmas tree. I think it's super cute. I'm going to peel off. I didn't need the liquid latex on me for that nail, but I still did it. It turned out really nice. I'm going to put liquid latex, listen to me lie. I'm going to put my top coat on. I can't get the rest of this latex off my sidewalls. Oh, there's a piece. Okay. I'm going to take my Pro FX. I'm going to put a coat of that on because I have a little star. I got the Cold Diary wax picker-upper. I don't know what to call it. I am taking this little star on the end of it. I'm going to place this at the top of my tree. There. I think that looks cute. Okay, we're done with this one. Got my cotton claw. Clean my image really good. Oh, this is a deep image. Okay, oops. Let's put that aside. I'm going to get my plaid plate out. Put everything else away. Oh, I didn't put my no smudge top coat on that. My bad. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to be using this image here. I don't know if you can see it. This one, where is it? Right here. I really like this one. It's BPL-041 from Born. Oh, it is from Born Pretty. Okay. I really like this plate. I like the plaid images at Christmas time. They're super easy to pick from and to work with. Line your image up right on your nail and stamp. Get your lint roller. Clean that in between each image, as well as your plate. That does say about your manicure. I usually don't use it, but I can never find it in my... I have a little tote that sits on my desk with things in it that I have bought that I want to review or haven't used yet. But I also keep in there all my brushes, my files, my cleanup brush, my dotting tools. So sometimes it's kind of hard to find things in there. Like, I just recently lost a Christmas card in there and found it. Sorry about that, Nails of Interest. Yep, I lost her Christmas card in there for like 2 weeks. That was the last place I looked, and there it was. I was so sure that I mailed it, but she hadn't received it yet. Can't miss the big red envelope. So, I found it. That's the important thing, is I found it. Most important thing is I found it. Okay, we got 2 nails left to do. I like these images a lot. I probably already said that, but I do. I love a plaid at Christmas. I think it's really pretty. Okay, where are we? I'm going to do my thumb, which you're not probably going to be able to see because my thumb is a stubby. A real big stubby. It's been like, I don't know, a week. It seems like it's been 2 weeks since I broke it, and there's not really any nail growth. I know nails grow slower in the winter, and mine definitely do. But I'm using I use coconut oil, is like her cuticle oil. But I was really hoping by now to have some growth and be well on my way back to having a long thumbnail. But after the New Year's, I think I'm going to cut all my nails down short so they're all stubby nubbins and start over, which is what I did last year. January came, because in the winter my nails get real brittle and they break a lot, so I just start over because I'm not one for worried about my nails all being even, because they never are. But I've got, let's see, as you can see, only 2 nails with real length on them, so my baby nail ain't that bad. I'm going to start peeling my latex off now since these are stamped. My thumb, I had it all the way around my nail, even on my skin there at the tip, because I got no nail. So that's peeling right off, just great. I got a little bit of cleanup to do, not much. And that's alright, because that's what this is for, is to protect you from having to do cleanup. So a little is better than a lot. There. Get my cleanup brush and do this first. There. Ain't got a lot of cleanup, and that's really good. Makes me happy. Hope you're having a great day. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your plans are today on this cold winter's day. I'm in Michigan, so it's definitely cold. Right now, well, it's really early in the morning. I like to film when everybody's sleeping. So, I don't even know what time it is. Let me look. It is 4:45 in the morning. I'm getting good at my nails for church today. And I'm done with the cleanup. So, anyways, I like to film when everybody's sleeping, but it's like, with the wind chill, it's like 16 outside. It's like really crazy. Without the wind chill, it's not... I'm trying to think what they said it was going to be, like 21. To get something to drink. I'm really parched. You know my talking. I'm going in now with my Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat. Get the edges of your nails because I'm going to be wearing this one for a while. Normally I don't cap mine too often because I'm taking it off the same day that I've done it to film another video. So these I get to cap. These I get to save. I'm so glad. At least for the day. Tomorrow may be a different story. Can't cap the edge of the thumbnail. There isn't one. It's too short. When this dries, I will, whoops, I'll spill everything is what I'll do. I'll put my Pro FX on. But you don't have to wait for them to completely dry. I'm just waiting for them to slightly. But here's my manicure and my Christmas tree. Hope you like it. Hope you can see. I think that Christmas tree makes it stand out a lot more, especially with the little star on the top of it. I ordered those from Amazon. They were by, I think, iMethod. Oh, Lordy, I'm drawing a blank. I think they were by iMethod. I took them out of the containers they were in, and I put them in a little... But there's all different kinds of designs in here. There are seashells and crosses and stars and diamonds, half moons. And there's like little things that are the size of a dot, a period. And they come really in handy with nail art. So I'd share that with you. But I'm going to show this to you again. I'm going to use my Pro FX and seal my manicure in. Cap the edge. There we go. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure for today. Any advice or suggestions for new manicures? I do have a list already wrote out for the month of December that I'm going to try and stick to. But there's always room for a few suggestions and a couple more manicures. So let me know anything you want to see me do. Let me know down in the comments below. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell over there so that you get notified of all my future videos. I do 3 videos a week at least. Saturday is always She Modern Saturday, and then I do film twice more. It's usually a Tuesday and a Thursday. If you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for being here. Your support is greatly, greatly appreciated. Without you, Just Nailed It wouldn't be here. So I appreciate that greatly. Love you all, and have a blessed day. Thank you.